My name is Sergio Chavez. I am an automation engineer with the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power, the largest municipal utility in the nation. We use iFIX to visualize the movement of water from one end of the state, from the collecting of the water to the other end of the state, all the way to the consumption. And it's our SCADA platform. It's what we use end-to-end to visualize the transmission and the treatment of the water that Los Angelinos drink every day. And so now we have their younger, newer replacements coming in and not necessarily having that intuition of the water SCADA systems. And so we're seeing a lot of more dependency on our HMI screens that we develop for our operators. We're seeing more requests for data, more information to be displayed, more interaction between the operator and the screen itself. So right now we're in the process of updating a lot of our HMI graphics and working with our new generation of operators. Some of the changes we're making to our screens to help our operators be more effective is we're going back and looking at the screens and saying, where could we reduce some of the noise? Where could we sort of remove the clutter, so to speak? And we are taking the initiative of moving towards more high-performance graphics, sort of shying away from throwing too much color on the screen and kind of going in sort of a monotone black and grayscale type of graphics. Going over and saying, looking at previous values that we have on the screen and saying, are these important? Did these values ever help our previous operators? Maybe we need to go and make this button a little bit larger because we know that that facility is constantly in alarm. There's many examples I could give as to how our new high-performance HMIs have helped our operators be more efficient and react faster. Every day our operators are exposed to about 1,200 alarms in our SCADA system, and so that's a lot of noise, and they work in a very constant changing environment. They're monitoring parameters that are in constant flux. And with these high-performance graphics, you know, because we sort of remove a lot of the distraction and we say, right in the middle of the screen there's an alarm indication button, and just by looking at that screen, within 2 seconds they could tell, hey, my facility is in an abnormal situation, or my facility's fine, let me look at this other screen. Let me move on down the transmission line, so to speak. So we're getting a lot faster response in determining the state of many of our facilities. But my advice would be, again, hire good talent, and two, try to have a sort of a test environment of your SCADA system. If you could sort of build out the changes, if you could visualize those changes to management and to the operators beforehand and have them sort of involved from day one, have them look at your proposed changes and have them give you feedback, and then you take that feedback and keep molding those changes. I think it would really go far in upgrading your SCADA, moving it to the next level.